Hey, and welcome to our program today of watercolor art. This is part of the self-care series. So, you may be asking yourself, what is self-care anyway? Well, self-care is the practice of taking care of one's health. This can be your physical health, but it can also be your mental health. So you might be asking yourself, why is self-care important? Well, I'll tell you. Self-care is about knowing your worth, and you are someone who is worthy of being healthy and happy. Taking care of yourself creates a relationship within you to improve your positivity, confidence, and self-esteem. Also, self-care is necessary to remind yourself and others that you and your needs are important too. By taking care of yourself, you will then in return give the world your best self. And your best self is important and unique. So make sure you treat yourself in that manner. Today's program is about focusing your energy and calming your mind through art. So let's start our program so we can focus on our needs and give our best selves to the world later on. Okay, so if you picked up a kit from Carnegie, you'll have some paper, a watercolor art set. We also included a paintbrush and a straw, which we'll explain in a moment. I also have my cup of water so that I can use that to wet the paint. And when you open up your set, you'll have another paintbrush inside. Okay, so the reason we gave you a straw is because we want you to take this moment to go around your house and find some objects that you wouldn't normally think to paint with. So I went around the library and I grabbed some rubber bands. I found this heart. I grabbed some Post-its, a screw, some ribbon, and a tissue. So the point of finding these items is you want to not think about your art. You're going to channel your inner emotions, think about how you feel, and then take those colors or that object and put it on your paper. Okay, so let's see what we can create. I'm gonna start off by just doing some random shapes of anything that I feel like doing, and then I'm gonna start filling in. Emotions can follow colors. So if you're feeling maybe worried or something, you might wanna go with more calming blues, or if you're feeling angry, maybe you wanna use a red to show that. If you're feeling super happy and bubbly, maybe you wanna use a yellow. So think about the colors as an emotion. If you wanna associate a certain color with a certain emotion, go for that. This is all going to be freestyle.